Hello. Today I'm going to teach you how to quickly install a ad manager extension onto your Joomla website. And I'm going to jump right in here and basically what this extension does is it allows you to manage and monetize your ad spaces the way you want and to be able to upload banners, custom banners. You can also integrate it with AdSense. And this is a free platform I'm using, so I'm going to jump in here and I'm going to show you how to do it. First thing you want to do is go to ad-manager.org.com, org.com, or you can also go to adspace platform.com, and that also takes you to the same place. Um, so basically, here, what you want to do once you're here is you want to register and sign up if you don't already have an account. But in my case, I've already created a demo account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And now I'm logged into my account. I'm going to go to my ad spaces section. Okay, and there's already one ad space defined in here from my other tutorial video, but I'm going to create a new one just for the purposes of this demonstration video. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this old one that I have here. And now I'm going to create a ad. I'm going to click this add new ad space button here. And then I'm going to choose a website ad space. There's mobile web ad space, there's Twitter page ad space, email, RSS feed, and other. It supports all these ad space types, but in our case, we're just going to do website ad space. I'm going to click next. And here I'm going to put my website name, which is demo website, demo Joomla website, and the domain is demo.com, let's say. And my banner dimensions are going to be let's do 728 by 90. Banner position, I'm going to choose, this is where it's positioned on the page. So my banner is going to appear to the middle right hand section of my screen of my website. So I'm going to put middle right. And then here it says ad space pricing model. Basically here what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose what kind of pricing model I want. In my case, I want to charge my customers every 30 days, let's say $50 a month I want to charge them. Okay, and then now I'm going to choose my categories of where my website fits, which categories it fits under. And for this demonstration purposes, I'm just going to choose computers and communications and education. You could choose up to 5. In my case, I only chose 3. Now here, ad space keywords. You want to put any keywords that's basically related to your ad space and helps people find your ad space, because this website also has a marketplace where people can search and research um, different ad spaces that they might be interested in. So here you want to put something that's related to your website or ad space. In my case, we're doing a Joomla demonstration, so we're just going to put Joomla in here. Actually, there's a Joomla category as well, I believe, on here, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that as well. And display third-party HTML snip. So here is the ad space fallback settings, and basically what this does is if there is no customers currently subscribed to my ad space, basically what do I want it to do? You could either have it display a third-party HTML snippet, which could be a Google AdSense HTML code, which you could just copy and paste into this box, or you can use your own custom image or custom SWF flash banner, and you can just upload it here. So in my case right now, I don't have any banners that fit into this ad space here under this banner dimensions of 728 by 90. So I'm going to go ahead and click here to upload one. And you can see I already have one banner in here from my last video. I'm going to go ahead and just add a new banner because I have to have a banner that actually fits the 728 by 90 dimensions uploaded into my account. and in this case I only have I only have a 160 by 600, so I gotta go ahead and upload a banner. So I'm gonna upload a banner 728 by 90. Let me see here. Uh, I'm gonna upload a banner 728 by 90 and choose this demo banner. And you can go ahead and add the target URL. I'm gonna put demo.com, and you can put a description and which if it belongs in a certain folder or group, you can group your banners if you want to. But in my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit save. And your banner was uploaded and saved successfully. Okay. And now basically I have this banner that I just uploaded here now. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this window. And now here comes my 728 by 90 banner, which I can choose. So I'm gonna choose that. And basically now, whenever there's no ad space subscribers or anybody currently advertising on my ad space, it's gonna fall back and show my own default banner. And here you can define a folder where you want your ad space to be in. If you want to group them into a certain group, you can. Or here you can type in a description. In this case, I'm going to put demo ad space for our Joomla website. And here it has some other options that you can choose from. And just go ahead and click here, click save. It says saving your ad space. This may take a few moments. Please wait. This part of the process takes a few moments, if not a minute at least, because at this moment it's going and gathering all your website information and domain information, so it has it available in the system. Okay, just still waiting here. Okay, and it should be done any moment now. This part of the process does actually take a few moments. Okay, there it goes. It says your ad space was saved successfully. I'm going to click OK. And here it says ad space waiting for staff approval. So basically now it's submitted and now it has to be approved by the ad space people, which usually they take care of it in a couple hours, but sometimes it can take up to a day or so. Then I'm going to click close here. And even though it's in the pending approval process at this moment, my ad space, I can still go ahead and use their API and basically integrate this API into my website before the review process, because they actually require you to integrate the API into your website so they can see it intact before they can approve it into the marketplace. So the next step here would be to integrate this SDK into my Joomla website. So here, as you can see in this AdSpace SDK integration details window, I have four options. I got JavaScript integration method available, a pure HTML, a WordPress, or Joomla. In our case, since we got a Joomla website, we're going to click Joomla here. And basically what you're going to see here is the extension. This is the module. This is the Joomla module mod ad space platform that allows you to display a banner anywhere on your website and be able to manage and monetize that ad space or banner space however you want, basically. Gives you the complete freedom. Okay, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to download this file onto my computer. And now I'm going to come here. I have a local demo website set up here, Joomla website version 2.5 set up here, and here's the homepage for it. And what you want to do is you want to go to the administrator section of your website. Okay, and then as you can see here, I'm at my Joomla administration control panel. I'm going to click the login button here, and I'm going to go in. And then I am going to proceed to the extension section, and then I'm going to go to extension manager. Okay, And then from the extension manager, it says upload package file. I'm going to go ahead and upload that mod add space platform.zip file that I downloaded earlier. Just going to be in my downloads folder. Here, mod add space platform. Click that, and I am going to click upload and install. Okay, installing module was successful. This module displays a banner and or advertise with us button using AdSpace Platform API. So as you can see here, it installed successfully. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to extensions and my module manager, which is basically what I want to do now is I want to actually display that banner, that ad space that we created over there onto my actual website. So here I have the administration panel open, but I'm going to open a new tab here in Google Chrome, and I'm going to go to the home page of this demo website that I have set up. Alright, this is the front end of the Joomla website that I have set up. And let's say I want to display a banner here, for example. Now, I don't know the exact positions available in this template because this is a demo website that I just set up, but it's probably this one here. Let's see here. Actually, we can just go ahead and basically what you want to do now is you can either create a new module or you can choose select type and choose add space platform if you want, and basically it already creates one for you that's deactivated by default, or you can create a new one. Basically what this is going to do is you want to display this new mod add space platform onto the front end of your website. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to basically change the status to published, and here I'm going to select the position. Position, I am going to choose, I don't know the exact positions on this template, but I believe position 7 might show something. So in your case, you would choose whatever template position it is that's, applicable to your website and your template. There's a lot of variations. It could be anything really. Okay, but anyways, here I'm going to go back to my Ad Manager control panel now, because here in the module it's asking for my AdSpace API key. And basically what you want to do is copy and paste your AdSpace API key into this box here and click save. And that's pretty much it. Module assignment, I want to assign this module to show on all pages. I'm going to click that there. But you can choose whatever you want. You can make it show on certain pages, or specific pages, or whatever you want to do. So I'm going to click back here to the Ad Manager control panel, and under that downloads, that same download screen that popped up earlier, there's also a section here that says Add Space API Key. Now what you do is you click this Copy API Key to Clipboard button, and basically your AdSpace API key was copied to your clipboard successfully. Okay, and basically what this does is it copies this code here onto my clipboard. So now I can go back here to my Joomla admin section and my module manager, um, and paste that AdSpace API key into here. So now I pasted that into this box, and I'm going to click save. Okay, so now if I go to the front end of my website, if I hit refresh, I should see that banner somewhere. That new banner that I created, and there it is right there. It showed up in the middle of the page because it showed up on the left side of the page, but the dimensions I set over there in my control panel here was 728 by 90, which is displaying a 728 by 90 banner, which obviously doesn't fit into this template position here, which is just causing it to cover some other parts of the screen. But basically, you get the idea. Yeah, the idea is you can place the banner anywhere onto your template. And from there, you can also control this ad space and how it interacts with your website. For example, you'll notice this new Advertise with Us button, all of a sudden that appeared on the right hand side as well, which is basically you click there and it basically opens your advertising profile page that displays all your available advertising real estate. So basically, let's say if I didn't want this button to show here on my website, what I can do is go back to my Ad Manager control panel here, and I can go ahead and close this window since I'm done with this window and integrating it. I'm no longer integrating it. I'm moving on to the customization. I just want to edit it now. So I'm going to right click here on my ad space, and I'm going to click View Edit Ad Space Details. And this is on that same My Management Control panel. I'm just going to right click on my ad space here, click View Edit Ad Space Details. And here you'll see that same window that we initially created our ad space with pop up, but now it has all my ad spaces information in here. And at the bottom here you'll see 4 options, which has different options. One of the options says show advertise with us button next to banners. If I don't want that button to show on the right side of my website, I would basically just uncheck this here and click save. Your ad space was saved successfully. I click OK, and it shows ad space waiting for staff approval again. That's fine. And the integration window again, that's fine. We don't need this now, so we're just going to go ahead and click close. But basically now if I go back to my home page here and I hit refresh, that advertise with us button on the right hand side of the page here should no longer show anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and hit refresh. And as you can see, the advertise with us button is gone now. So basically that shows that that control panel, your ad manager control panel here, controls your entire ad spaces, all your ad spaces from this one little control panel here. You can control your banners, your advertisers, and your subscriptions of ads that you've possibly purchased through this ad space platform, and your balance, which basically shows all the payments and orders that you've received, and you have the option to withdraw funds here as well. There's also some statistical information here that you can see, and that's pretty much it. And that's it. Once you integrated it, you're pretty much all set, and you can start selling your ad space however you like. And it's a free platform. You can use it. Easy to install and use. It only takes a couple seconds. Anyone can do it. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below in the comments and feedback section. Thank you. Bye bye.